Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we have the unboxing of these beautiful bunnies in a basket from the range. Yes, a great painting by the looks of it. So yes, this will be my Easter painting. No plans to, start on it anytime soon. And inside here, it's just your usual ones. What I will say is it's quite nice to have a portrait one. A lot of the ones I get tend to be landscape, so it's quite nice to have a portrait one. Same stuff again with your stretch canvas. This is a 40 times 50. You get your 2 wax squares, so they double it up a bit for you. 1 diamond paint stylus, 1 gem bags, 21 coloured gems, and wall hanging kit, which obviously are referencing that part there. So let's get into the canvas. It's been looking at me all this time, just haven't had the time to unbox it really, so let's get into it. I always get nervous because you never know if it's going to be look like this when you open it, but let's take a look inside here. And I was thinking there might not be a tray then. But can we just look at this? It's going, look, this is how perfect train ninja, it's going. So let's get into the it's like opening the present, isn't it? Get into the drills, we'll take all this off and let's see this beautiful painting. Again, the schematic is on the back, you can print that off if you want to, but look. Oh wow, yeah, this is really, this is a split image, isn't it? Sometimes, I mean, it is a bit lighter on the box, but oh man, this is going to be super colourful because I'm not really keen about that purple. I'm not liking that very much because on here it looked white. So you see what I mean about it changes, because that looks white, yet they've done it purple up there. Let's just take a look. See, it's better on the back there because you can see it, but if you was to pick that up on that side, you're going to think that it's all white. But oh man, I'm loving this. This is absolutely stunning. These drills are going to be so colourful because it's going to be pastel vibe. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then down here we've got a sunflower. This is the basket, and you've got the bunnies here. This is absolutely stunning. The stick, yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh, this is lovely. Roxanne, I think you might like this. But I love the way they've got like piping around the edge here of the ear. This is absolutely, I cannot tell you how gorgeous this is. I mean, look at the detail, it's so clear. But once we get them eggs in, there's going to be so much splash of colour. And I've been looking for an Easter painting for some time now, so I'm just over the moon with that. We've got ourselves our usual wall hanging kit with the tray, the bags and the pen. And then we've also got ourselves the bag of drills, which we'll open. Okay, so we've got an orange, sort of browny colour, brown again. Lots and lots of different greens there, that's quite a nice one. Then we've got some blues, a lovely minty colour. Always reminds me of Vinette of ice cream. You know, the mint one. We've got the blues, couple of whites, lovely blue, some purples, pinks, and then oranges there. And then we've also got these ones as well, which is your oranges, your black, your pink, your other pink, your light blue, your browns, orange, and a sort of beigey colour. But as you can see, I think, I buy a lot of art studio products, and I'll tell you something, this is by far one of my favourites I've ever bought. I'm being serious, like, this is so much detail. The artist who's done this has done a phenomenal job. They really have done a fantastic job. It's absolutely, like, I can't stop looking at it. It's that gorgeous. I just hope that once we put the drills on, it will still be as gorgeous as it looks. It is quite a shame about this because I'd be tempted to see, I could swap the colour out, but it's a dark colour, so it's going to be tricky to do that. but I'm not really keen on that purple, but it is what it is. But look at that, absolutely stunning. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you want to get this for yourself, it's in the range. You can go to the shop or check the link out on my description and order it, and get it for yourself before it sells out, because this is such a beautiful painting. I'm really tempted to get another one for my mum's house, because normally with Easter I sort of like to give them their eggs and do a bit of like watching Easter films and that sort of thing, so it'd be nice to do like one over there. But yeah, it is just so gorgeous. But yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.